Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create or make a game pass on Roblox. So first of all you have to go to roblox.com on your browser. So just go, and if you're using iPhone and then you are must be using Safari browser. So to enable the desktop mode you have to tap on smallest A and capital A. But if you're using an Android phone, then you just need to tap on three dot in a Chrome browser and just enable the desktop site mode. So because if you want to access this website, it works on only on the desktop version. So if you want to use it on your phone, then you have to use the desktop site mode. Now once you enable that, now tap on create tab to create or make game pass. Now once you reach the creations tab, now your creation dashboard, now you have to tap on the experience tab and just tap on this image, tap on it, and now you have to tap on this menu button, this three bar, and tap on this associate items. Can you see on the left? Now you can see that there are three tabs: badges, passes and developer products. So just tap on passes to create game pass. Now tap on this create a pass button, and you first of all you have to upload the image. The format should be JPG, PNG and BMP, and now you have to enter the name of the game pass and enter the description if you want. Let's upload the image. Now you have to tap on enter the name of the game pass like Queen, and now you can tap on the create pass button. Once you create the game pass, now you have to tap on this newly created game pass to set or to enable this game pass for the sale. If you want to add this game pass in please donate, then you have to enable it for the sale. Just tap on it. Again you have to tap on this menu button three bar. Now you have to tap on this sale option. So before update guys, we usually have a configure button next to our game pass, but now after a new update it's completely changed. So you have to follow this process, follow these steps to set it up for the sale. So just tap on this toggle button to enable for the sale, and now enter the price of the game pass. So I'm going to set it as 150 Robux, and you must be know that the creator will get 70% out of it. Once you're done, just tap on save changes, and your game pass will be saved. And now you can add this pass to your please donate game. So let's do that. Now once you created your game pass or made your game pass, now it's time to add this game pass or add the game pass to your please donate game. So now you have to look for any empty stand or booth. So let's go to this booth or this stand. So once you reach any empty stand, hold the stand button and your game pass will be listed here. So I have created a game pass with 150 Robux. So let's see if there is any 150. So you can see this is our Qn newly created game pass that we have created earlier, and it is a Qn game pass. So now that's how you can do it. That's how you can add your game pass to your please donate, and hope you like it. If you want to add it, you can add it by tap on this pencil icon and enter your text here. Your text will be updated at the top of the booth. So that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. And if someone purchase your game pass, then you will get 70% out of it. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new on channel, and you can consider liking my channel and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.